these are the ingredients needed for the pancake. We need baking powder, milk, powdered milk. Don't worry, it's in a pen bottle, but it's milk. Some flour, some sugar, a bowl with a whisk for mixing,
and 3 eggs. You can use the amount of eggs you want, but usually 3 eggs is enough for like 4 people serving, which they will take like 2 slices of pancake. So let's start.
So guys, first of all, put my morning face. We're going to break the egg inside this bowl. So please, apprentice, pass me the fork.
Thank you. Now we're going to break the eggs here. That was not supposed to go in. And so, since we have powdered milk in Nigeria, we don't usually use liquid milk in this house, so I'm just going to mix it with some water and we can turn it into liquid milk. So, I'm going to take 2 or 3 spoons. Why do you think it's only that one I'm using? I'm also using the spoons for baking powder. So that's 3 spoons. I'm going to add put just little water into the milk. I'm gonna put some more. This is how much milk we got. So now we're going to take our egg that we broke. Okay. And then now we're taking our milk and we're pouring it. The egg, our whisk, and whisk it. Whisk it. We're going to put like 2 cups of flour in this. Whisk it.
Perfect. Time to fry.
I'm using some butter instead of oil. I prefer to use butter with my pancake. So turn on the heat. Make sure you always fry your pancake on low heat, okay? Put in some butter. Then you spread your butter. Okay? So reduce the heat. It's really low now. Always use a spoon at this dip. You fetch your pancake. And then the technique is to spread it around. Okay?
I see you are frying egg.
Yes, like a frying egg. Always use something this flat to flip it over. And the technique with pancake is that you start seeing some little holes in the pancake before you flip it over. Don't flip it up, or don't flip it over before you see those little tiny holes.
So you see? Yeah.
Look at that. Alright, so I think that's done now. Usually just leave it for like 1 minute, you know, give or take. My mom is worried that my camera and my phone and yet that's cooker. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Alright, so number 1 is done. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put more butter. how low the heat is. Really low. Pancake doesn't need much heat so that everything inside can get done.
You see that? Look at that. Look at that.
Right, so that's done now. Yep.
So I'm just gonna finish up the rest, and yeah, I'll show you how delicious it is. So guys, you can see this is the end of it. You can see the last one is always small. Oh, you think I was just going to let you go like that?
Without showing you how delicious it is. Delicious. So I folded mine because I'm in a hurry and I need to go and take my bath, so I don't have time to do fork and syrup. So yeah. It's soft. It's delicious. It blends on your tongue. Everything melts in nicely. Come, Victor. Come and tell them how nice the pancake was.
I love it. With carrots.
Come.
No, I'm not involved with carrots.
Come now.
I'm here to round message. Don't check my mind. It shall be your fast.
So, thank you guys for watching. My mama. See you in another episode. Cooking with mama. And come and tell them how nice pancake was. Better place. Come.
Just nice.
Come now, let's see your face. Wow, they're running from the camera. Wow.